What's going on, guys? I'm gonna make a quick video real quick. I'm about to open the last box just to take a quick look in here, see what's in here. This video won't be long at all. Just want to see what we have. Box is kind of heavy. We got a Nano, not even in here. Thermal Relief, sold some of these already before. Sold one for like $9, I believe. Roach stuff. I'm really just trying to go through and find the big items. But this mask, I've already sold one, sent it to Amazon already. It sold for like 40 or something bucks like that. I think that was my profit actually. It might have sold for like 80 bucks though. We have some gray hair dye. Yeah. This is what I wanted to see. In the last video I had a T3 thing. Both of those sold already for like $100 and something bucks. One was like $100 and something dollars, and I think I even put the price next to my last video. Mandela. Sell this to Amazon. Don't even know what this is. I'm not even gonna open all this stuff up. Sepro Blue sells for 20 bucks. Oh yes, definitely happy to see this again. The Prima. This sells for like 80 bucks. It sells quick every time. Got a Chi. And don't forget this palette. I paid $104 for this box right here. And with this item, and I don't even know how much this costs. I'll leave the price in the description box, but I should make my money as well. With these two items, should pay for this entire box. Oh, we have a safe. This is a safe. That should be worth some. That should be worth some money. My best friend. GHD Platinum. I love these things. I'm listing right now as we speak, to be honest. I want to come open this box. That's why I want to come do this video. And I listed something that was GHD. And 15 minutes later, it sold for like 70 bucks. This I've sold already for like 80 something bucks. So hopefully it works. And if it works, it should sell as soon as I list it. So that's another 80 something dollars. So I'm already in profit mode already, guys. Cord, which is iPhone. It was a Chi spinning curl. This is broke. It's like home is where the Wi-Fi password, and you just like put the password there, but it's broke. It goes a fake security camera. Some binoculars. Y'all probably keep. Seen this before, 19 bucks. Some Mandela. They always give me Mandela breast pumps and Mandela nipple rings and Mandela breast. It's always Mandela nipple shields, and goes another Baby Bliss Pro. This is a hair dryer. curling iron. Curling iron. This is the cheese spinning curl, 40 bucks. Sonic Smooth. Hopefully it's new. If it's new, it's sell for like 80, 70 bucks. If it's used. It looks new, but I'm gonna have to test it out. Can't turn it off, so it works. It's like everything's in there. This foil 01, it's a very popular item. Probably goes for like 80 bucks maybe. I think 60. It's like 60 to 70 bucks. Depends on how you list it. Two-week detox. Like these sell for like 20 bucks on eBay. I have another T3 thing. Is it this? This is a singless pass wave, and this is a body waver. So I'll look the prices up, and I'll leave those on the link or somewhere in the video. I'm assuming they're like 100 or something bucks a piece, hopefully. At least, because I haven't ran anything that was T3 that was less than 100 bucks. Here goes the game. I've sold this game already for like $22.22, I believe. But this one is used, so probably just keep it. Go some Spy Cola stuff. There's some drinks in here that I'm excited about that I see. Oh, pen. That was nice of them. 2 boxes of these. You can send 2 packs in to Amazon. I think 2 packs sell for 20 bucks, I believe. This is some kind of Medela. I haven't seen this before. This is new to me. Medela breast. Oh, it's for the Medela breast pumps. Oh, it's a breast pump cleaner, so it's sanitizer and everything. So that's pretty good. Storage bags. You can sell for like 2 for $25. Go some napkins. There goes another mask. Some of these masks are expensive. Some of them are only like $9 and $10. Just got through listing one of these. So I know they go for like 60 bucks, 40 bucks. Just depends on the condition, if it's new, if it has all the parts in here or not. Goes another sanitizer. This one's open, so I might keep it and actually sanitize the stuff that I need to. It goes a breast pump manual. Another one. This is a bath time essential set. Mustela. Don't know if it's new. Some items in here are new. Watch y'all watch me struggle. Oh, okay. Ah, there we go. Oh no. I don't trust it. But I'm guessing it's worth like 30, 40 bucks. Here goes another chi. Easy money, easy money. Magic the Gathering. I used to play this when I was like 13 for like a period of like a year. This might be a very good card or something. But I'll look it up and see how much it costs. Leave the price in the description box below. I have another one of these curlers. These drinks. Coconut water. Oh, blueberry pomegranate. So I might like this actually. I thought it was just coconut water. But yeah, I love pomegranate. So this won't be getting sold. This will go to me because I kept it last time. I got a pack like this and I kept it. I think that was like strawberry banana. And if I'm sitting in the box, that means there's almost nothing else in the box. It says We Games. Not we, W-I-I, but we as in we, us, W-E Games. Feel like a bunch of little small pieces. I don't know what it is, to be honest. Oh, checker pieces. Black and red. Some Revlon makeup. We have some Mad Lashes. Mad Lash Black Mascara. This is Baby Fabric Conditioner, which I'll keep. More breast pumps. This is like a gun holder to me, or pistol. Maybe it's for a razor, but it looks like a pistol holder to me. Sci-Tac. I don't know, it's either a gun or a razor holder. Some new wave things, more. And then some house makeup and Lady Gaga makeup. And that's it, guys. My pen, my mirror. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it was quick. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Sorry I kind of rushed through this, guys, but just wanted to see what's in there, and I don't feel like really dragging the video out. As you can see, I'll say mine will be these T9 things. The GHD Platinum, I already know it's good money. This Baby Biz Pro, I know it's good money. Literally every time I put this online, it sells within 15 to 20 minutes every time. And I've had this almost in every single box or pallet that we've had. So yeah, that's great. And then some of the stuff like the Magic the Gathering, I'm pretty sure this is probably worth like 20 or 30 bucks at least, you know. And I already told you this mask right here is worth like $100 online when I send it to Amazon. this is pretty much complete. So those are pretty much like the high dollar items. And then, you know, I had like 2 or 3 cheek curlers. So those are $45 to $49 a piece. Just depends on how I negotiate. So I'm definitely gonna make my money back, $104. Been having a rough week, guys, to be honest. It's been a rough week, but I'm gonna keep pushing forward. I gotta believe in the success that I set out for myself, you know, because if I don't believe in it, then how can it come to fruition? So I'm gonna keep working hard. I'm gonna keep finding ways to grind, keep finding ways to make some money, keep finding ways to maneuver around the things that are being roadblocks and stumbling blocks in my life. I'm gonna get around that, and I'm gonna continue to show you how to make a little bit of money every way I can. I just opened up a Mercari account, so I'm putting a lot of stuff on Mercari, and luckily I put one item on Mercari and it sold within 15 minutes. So we'll see how that goes. I'll be going in that direction more than eBay because some things happen on eBay. But anyways, thank you for sharing, and subscribing. Hope this video was pretty good. Probably won't be too much editing in this video. Saturday, go Tar Heels. And I will see you next time because Tay is out.